How to use AI video generator on Haiper AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Haiper AI. It is absolutely free. All you have to do is just sign up using your Gmail account, or you can also use the Discord account. So currently we are using a Gmail account in order to access it. Here you get different features in order to utilize it. You can also see the different creations from different users. You can download it or share it up. You can also check out the prompts for these by just simply clicking on it, and here you would be able to see the prompt for that particular creation from a particular user. Now if you want to use it, you would have to click on this option of creations and wait for that to load. Now here select any particular option that you are looking for. The first one is create video with text. All you have to do is just simply imagine any scenario with the text in the text bar, and then a video will be created out of it. You can also animate any image. In case if you have the image, you can just bring them to life using this particular feature. You can also repaint your video. You can change the style, color or subject in that particular video. You can extend the length of your video, but this feature is currently not available. Simply select any particular option, and after that you can select any particular option over here as well. And here we get different features, like whether you want the 2-second duration or the 4-second duration, and we can click on this option of create. And in case if you want your creation to not appear on the public or the explore page, simply click on this option of disable. This way your creation will not be appearing on the explore page that we just saw. All you have to do is just describe your video like a rabbit jumping on clouds, and click on this option of create. After that you would have to wait when your creation is being generated, and after waiting for a while you would be able to see your creation. And after waiting for a while you should be able to see your video, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.